So over here you can see that I have my browser opened up, and over here on the top I can click on extensions to access it. But over here you can see that the extensions needs to be accessed by only clicking on the extensions button. But if I wanted to have a quick access of the extensions, then you can actually go around and then show them out in the toolbar itself. So to do that, once you click on the extensions button right here, over here you can see that show in toolbar is an option. Once you click on it, the extension shows up right here. If I were to go around and click right here, the extension shows up right over here as well. So directly you have access by clicking on the extension right here, just like this, and you can see that there's a full page clip right here. So you can go around and clip it, and then it clips out the page, as you can see. That is the functionality of this particular extension. So you can go around and click right here. If you want to hide out the extension from over the toolbar over here, then you can click on the extensions button again and simply click on the I button right here to hide it out. And that is how you can add and add extensions and then show and then hide extensions in toolbar inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.